Hello everyone. So today I'm going to go through the graphical representations of the equations of motion. So we know first equation of motion is v equal to u plus at. Second equation of motion is known as s is equal to ut plus half at square. And third equation of motion is v square minus u square equal to 2as. So here if I go through the v equal to u plus at, so if we go through acceleration, slope of graph, then we can say y-intercept by x-intercept. As we know, slope is equal to rise by run. So like that, this is the y-intercept and this is the x-intercept. Clear? So v minus u by t minus 0. So equal to v minus u by t. So t if we will go to there in the left hand side, then at equal to v minus u, v equal to u plus at. So here we can say that if I just clear, if I will say this is the y-axis and here v is present, u is present. So you can say v minus u. And here if I talk about t, x-axis is what? T minus 0. Okay. So now a equal to how much? V minus u3. So ये 80 यहाँ पर आ जाएगा. So 80 equal to v minus u. V equal to how much? U plus 80. Clear? So let it be. Okay. Now moving on the next. This s is equal to ut plus half at square. If I make you understand, so see here in this particular graph, here triangle is there, right? On triangle is there, what? ABP, okay, plus area of rectangle ADPC you have to do. Clear? Now what you can say, this is a trapezium, right or not? This is a trapezium, but the area of a triangle plus area of rectangle in the second equation of motion you can able to use it. So here area of a triangle ABP is there, no? So what is the area of triangle? Half into base into height, right? No? Base is how much? It is P, okay? AP half into AP into BP. So AP how much? T minus 0 into what you can say? BP means what? V minus U, okay? So you can write like this, okay? So V is there how much now? U plus 80 we will do minus U. So here U fitos. So T into A, how much? Half into T into 80, how much? Half 80 square, okay? Now if I done for the next part, so here you can see here if I talk about area of rectangle, AD is there and DC is there. So length into breadth we know, so DC into AD करते हैं, okay? So like that we can do. So DC how much? T into AD how much? U. So we can say it is UT. So before that we have got how much? Half 80 square. So we can say that area of a triangle we have gone now, area of rectangle. So plus is there. So plus UT we can do. So S is equal to UT plus half 80 square. You are the final answer. Clear? It might be not understood. Let me make you understand here. And then next here, you can clearly see that here half into AP into BP is there. So T minus 0 into BC minus BC you can do. Understood? U into T. So here V minus U plus UT. The UT plus U plus 80 minus U plus UT. So S is equal to UT plus half AT square. This is the final answer. Clear? Moving on the next is V square minus U square equal to 2AS. Let's clearly see. This is the third equation of motion, no? So before we have done, let me show you the graph first of all. See in this graph, I have told you that here it looks like trapezium, right? Or no? It looks like trapezium. So what is the formula for trapezium? Half into sum of parallel sides into height. Now if you will just मैं अगर उसका उल्टा कर दूंगा तो कितना होगा? तो ये ए हो जाएगा, ए, ठीक है, और यहाँ पर ये डी हो जाएगा, ए डी, just wait, ADPC. So half into, okay, sum of parallel sides. So AD plus PC, clear? Into height we can say, height कितना हमारा? AP है हमारा height, है कि नहीं? So here we can say half into AD. If I talk about AD how much? U, and B we can say PC means how much? u plus b, right or no, प्लस हाइट कितना है हमारा, हाइट हमारा ए पी है, सो ए पी अगर हाइट है हमारा तो क्या होगा इसके लिए, टाइम होगा. सो व्हेन t इज इक्वल टू v माइनस u बाई a. सो लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग. Okay. Now see, we have calculated half into u plus v into t is there, no? Can we write t as v minus u by a? Yes, it is obviously right. So half into u plus v I can tell. So u plus b and v minus u. What is it? A plus b into a minus b formula, right or no? A square minus b square. In my next video, I will show you that how about the identities. Okay. So u plus b into v minus u means how much? V square minus u square. We are putting s, right? So s is equal to v square minus u square by 2as, right? So 2as you can say. Okay, v square minus u square by a is there, 2a is there, s is here. So if you multiply here, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Okay, it might be not be understood. Let me give you the written format. So here see clearly that area of trapezium, let me give it here. Okay, area of trapezium we have done, then half into a plus b, ad plus bc we have done, into ap we have done. So u plus v into time is here. Here t I have taken as v minus u by a. So one formula came, a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square formula. So v square minus b u square by 2a. So v square minus u square is equal to 2as. So hence proved. Okay. So in my next video, I will show you about some algebraical identities. Okay, thank you.